Then down. Ladies and gentlemen, the groom, Mr. Tupac Mamuro. And now may I call the attentions of our best man and maid of honor. Our best man, Mr. Green Reaper, and maid of honor, Mrs. Green. Please proceed sa ating 2 and 3. The best man and maid of honor. Okay, mukhang busy pa sila. And now, may I call the attentions of our bridesmaids and groomsmen, Serave and Ryzen. Bridesmaids and groomsmen, Darkness and Fox. Bridesmaids and groomsmen, Fiang and Pain. Bridesmaids and groomsmen, Future and Rastaman. Miss Fiang, please. Slowly down tayo, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much to our bridesmaids and groomsmen, Future and Rastaman. Bridesmaids and groomsmen, Jujua and King. Okay, kung pwede po, start tayo na ng slot number 2, down to 3, 4, 5, hanggang 10. Thank you so much to our bridesmaid, Miss Jujua. Another pair of bridesmaids and groomsmen, Gracia and Killer Voice. Thank you so much to our groomsman, Mr. Killer Voice. Bridesmaids and groomsmen, Honor Queen and Dalub Hasa. Thank you so much to our bridesmaids and groomsmen, Honor Queen and Dalub Hasa. Bridesmaids and groomsmen, Juniora and Jaguar. Thank you so much to our bridesmaids and groomsmen. And now, may I call the attentions of our bearers. July Arfat, our candle bearer, Tupaking and January. To carry the symbol of faith, our Bible bearer, Supremo and Samsam. To carry the symbol of love, our ring bearer, Jaron and mine. Sige po, do march po tayo. Thank you so much to our ring bearer, Mr. Jaron and Miss Mai. To carry the symbol of treasure, our coin bearer, Mr. Baroque and Miss Sadgirl. Dumarch po tayo. Thank you so much to our coin bearer, Mr. Baroque. To clothe us together, our veil bearer, Big Boss and Sadista.
Di kasama ng girlfriend ko, other, then pasok ng mga anak ko.
Okay, thank you so much to our veil bearer, Big Boss and Sadista. To bind the swan, our cord bearer, Baby Pangit and Cram. Thank you so much to our cord bearer, Baby Pangit and Cram. To shower our eyes with flower, our flower girls and their escort. Lady Lexi and Chidos. Flower girl Miss Laline and escort Mr. Naughty Boy. Flower girl Nicole Bean and escort Kunan. Dumarch po tayo. Thank you so much to our flower girls and escort, Mr. Kunai.